Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the October Bellabox, so let's get into it. So we've got a pretty purple box this month, just in time for spring. It's a bit, flat this time. There's the card with all the products. So the first one is this big blue one that's jumping out at me. It is the Chlorine Shampooing Sec Detox. So it's a detox dry shampoo. This one is a sample size, but you can get the 150ml full size for $15.95 at Chemist Warehouse, Priceline, and Adore Beauty. Instantly refresh and clarify your hair and scalp in 2 minutes without the need for water. Featuring 100% natural, organic, aquatic mint extract, this refreshing formula removes impurities from the scalp and hair, leaving it volumized, softer, and shinier. So I'm definitely keen to give this a go. I absolutely love Chlorine, but like the white oat milk ones. But yeah, I'm very keen to give it a go because I love the normal one, but it is so expensive, so I can only ever buy it on sale. Otherwise I just have to use Batiste because Chlorine is a great quality brand. It's just way too expensive. And this is great to receive it in the box. We're receiving brands that we don't, buy ourselves and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm actually really pleased to have that one in the box. Looks like we have more Chlorine products. This is the Scalp Detox Shampoo with Aquatic Mint. It's just a sample size, but the full 200ml size is $13.95 at Chemist Warehouse, Priceline, and Adore Beauty. This clarifying shampoo cleanses it by deeply removing impurities and the product buildup while maintaining the natural scalp balance. It helps detoxify the scalp and hair from pollutants and environmental residue and delivers a cool, minty fresh scent. Yeah, I'm actually keen to try this as well. I haven't really tried anything from Chlorine except for the oat milk dry shampoo. And yeah, for $13.95, that's actually not a bad price considering, you buy your Head and Shoulders for $12 or something. So I'm keen to give this a go. Yeah, I'm just excited to see if it actually works. And, if it does a good job and if it's worth that price tag because, it's such a great brand. I've always wanted to use more from the brand. It's just been so expensive. So, to give it a go in the box is going to be great. Next, we have the CeraVe Daily Moisturising Lotion. This is just a sample size, but the 236ml full size is $13.99, or you can get 473 mils for $19.99, or even a full litre for $28.99 at Chemist Warehouse. A lightweight and oil-free moisturizer that hydrates the skin and helps strengthen the skin's protective barrier. Formulated with 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid, this moisturizing lotion features patent MVE technology for 24-hour hydration and lightweight formula that doesn't clog pores. So I'm actually keen to give that one a go. I haven't really tried a lot from CeraVe just because I do work in pharmacy but not Chemist Warehouse, so I don't buy it from the competitor. But yeah, I'm keen to give it a go. I've heard good things about this brand. I've heard bad things. I've heard very much mixed reviews about CeraVe. So yeah, I'm interested to see, how it reacts to my skin. And considering it's just a moisturizer, I'm sure it won't be too bad. Next, we have the John Plunkett's Supereven Dark Spot Eraser Treatment Serum. This is just a sample, but you can get the full 30ml size for $39.95 at Priceline and Terry White Chemart. Dark Spot Eraser is highly concentrated super serum specifically formulated to target dark spots, reduce redness, firm skin, and improve skin texture to deliver perfectly even skin tone. For best results, use morning and night after cleansing. I mean, I will definitely give it a go, but I don't really know what dark spots I have. I guess I don't think I'm that old, Yeah, I'll see if I give it a go, but it's not really something I've ever really needed. I don't really have dark spots, just, redness, so. Now we have our bonus. This is another Chlorine product, as much as I think it's great to receive all these products, it would be nice to receive more than 3 of the products in this box are from the same brand. So that's a bit like overkill on the Klorane, but nonetheless, this is the Scalp Protective Conditioner. So I'm assuming it goes with this one. I'm glad to have a bigger shampoo size than the conditioner, to be honest. This is just a sample, but the full size 150ml is $13.95 at Chemist Warehouse, Priceline and Adore Beauty. Naturally formulated, this conditioner detangles, hydrates the scalp, and adds 5 times more shine to hair. So yeah, I'll give it a go, but I'm glad I didn't get such a large conditioner. Glad the shampoo was bigger. And the hero product of the box is, of course, the full-size Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. This is full size. It is $29 Australian at Sephora. Now, I am so excited to have Fenty Beauty makeup in Bellabox. Thank you, Bellabox, for doing me the beautiful favor of giving me a high-end makeup brand that we all know and love in the box. I've never really tried it. The lipsticks from them before, so I'm super excited to give this a go. When I saw the sneak peeks for this, I got so excited. I was like, oh my god, yes, 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 Bellabox, thank you, thank you, thank you. Fenty's Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick is an ultra slim lipstick delivering a long-wearing velvet soft matte finish designed to flatter all skin tones. Inspired by a rose petal, the formula glides on creamy and stays put all day long. All members will be receiving the shade Freckle Fiesta. So let's see this one. Love that packaging on there. So that is the shade. It looks like, you know, a darker nude. That's what it looks like on my hand. It's definitely more of a brownie warm tone nude, but you know, it's supposed to flatter all skin tones. So yeah, I'm so excited to give that one a go. I just love that we got something, you know, more high-end in the box. You know, everyone knows Fenty Beauty and Rihanna, so yeah, super excited to have that one. Yeah, I'm glad to see they're stepping things up a little bit. So looking at everything we have in the box this month, looking at it, I would feel like I would be disappointed, but when you look at the products individually, I'm not that disappointed. The Fenty Beauty product is obviously a win. The sachet sample I don't ever count in my evaluation. Therefore, you know, it doesn't matter. It's not something I'm super excited about, but, you know, it's the sachet sample. It is what it is. The Dark Spot Eraser, again, something I'm not also super excited about, but I'll definitely give it a go. It's just I don't really have dark spots. The dry shampoo, I'm really keen to give a go. I love Chlorane's oat milk one, so I'm keen to see if this one actually does a good job for me. The shampoo, I am also keen to give a go as well. And the moisturizer, I'm also curious to give a go. So overall, I do give this box a thumbs up. The sachet sample and the dark spot eraser just aren't for me in terms of like, that's not something I would ever really need to go get. And the fact that there's 3 Klorane products in a box is a bit overkill. We don't need that much of the same brand. It kind of stops us from learning about other brands and trying different products because it's a Klorane box at this point. They should have made it a blue box instead of a purple box, eh? But yeah, at the end of the day, I'm still happy with the products and I'll definitely use all of them at some point. So yeah, I'm definitely more positive than negative about this box. It's, you know, if there was maybe the sachet sample wasn't Klorane, it was something else, that might have been better. And, you know, maybe dark spots aren't for everyone, but there you go. Lots of variety in the box. So glad we got the Fenty. Love getting makeup, and then I especially love getting actual good brands, you know, your brands that we have heard of and that we want to give a go, because like, you know, they get all these brands before, but you know, you've never heard of them. At least your Fenty, we know what we're getting and we know it's going to be a good product, and it makes us excited because we have heard of it and we know it's a more luxury brand. So I really do like it when they do things like that rather than brands that you've never heard before. So it does help with the excitement when you've heard of it. So yeah, What did you guys get in your box this month? What did you think about the products you received? And what did you think about what I got in my box? So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. Let's have a conversation in the comments. Well, what do you think of the box? I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.